Today is we are trying to create high-level goal setting for the organization. We're going to then break it down into SMART goals, right? And as we do the SMART goals, and then we're going to start into getting into a strategy component of it as to how to define good strategies and bad strategies of how achieving those goals. So that is the session for today. And as we end towards it, how do we pitch the strategy to the senior stakeholders? How do we communicate the strategy to the larger organization? Is also something that we're going to cover today. Come, let's interact with the team as we go along. Currently, the team is now looking at putting together their strategy, the goals, and then post that we will actually look at putting some strategy together, right? So, have you guys finished your trying to finish?
One goal.
One goal, SMART goal.
Yes.
All right, fantastic. How many goals have you put together?
We're putting down three.
Three goals.
Two's already done.
Fantastic.
The third one, I'm having them.
Come up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Think of.
Lovely. All right. And where are you guys?
We are almost
Almost done? Okay. So when are you going to start the chart paper? Now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.